Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic7 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and find System and Updates, and then tap on Language and Input. Tap on Language and Region at the top, and tap on Add a Language. Now let's find the language you'd like to apply, and tap on it. Tap on Change. And as you can see, your device will immediately change the language. If you've got more than one language is added here, you can tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position, and your device will also change language immediately. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Delete, mark the language you want to remove, and tap on Remove. Confirm, and you've got only one language applied. So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.